This is super vegetable food soup. Have a rice. Have a. I love chicken fish. If you like, I love tomato. I love tofu. This is tofu, soft tofu, and tomato, celery, ginger, and garlic. I love it. I love chicken cut. This is a healthy chicken halal meat. Healthy halal chicken. Healthy, good food, good chicken. Two healthy bowl. And can't go no wrong with this. Ooh, why? Toasted. Happy Saturday at home. Eat at
Cheers.
home. Asian cook. Healthy food at home. Cheers. I love tofu. I love celery. They're good for you. Benefits.